Oh my god, clutch.
What's up, Fair Market 2023? What's the Fair Market 2023 in the making? Hello, tell her what's going on. Trap, oh. Yeah. I'm alive now. I don't know if I'm getting top later. Yo. Hey, no, hey. No, yeah, again. This was the I drove up here. He said, what you got to say? Man, you gonna see him. He said, dude, you gonna see Tyrese. Tyrese. It's like the Marco Polo. I was gonna say, they call him Tyrone. I'm the order. Is he talking about? Hello, Montana. Oh, he said Tyrese, nigga, what? It's like Marco Polo. What are you talking about, that Tyrese? What the fuck are we supposed to say? Yeah, what the fuck is that? That's some Arizona shit. Yeah, give me that. Please, oh, damn. She ain't saying fuck you. Give me water, bitch. Listen. Nah, but, yeah, like, this little joke behind it, I'ma die right now, a nigga popped 5 times, but, so just in case anything else, 5 times, just in case you see it years from now, I thought it was only twice, nigga, but I got shot 5 times. I got shot on 2 different situations. Hold on, like, how many shell cases? Like shells. Nigga, I got shot 15 one time. Okay, they got shot. That's one. Okay. Nigga, I don't know how much shell cases because I was dumping back, so I don't fucking know. The second time, my nigga, I don't do that shit. Can we touch the conversation? Okay, look, we gonna end it. That's been for the gas. I'm sitting back here looking at your dumb gas. Okay, go. Bye. We think we got the gas with I didn't know it was 5, though. I thought it was just 2. But we got the gas with the load. This nigga not purring this home. I didn't. This hoe falling out, falling apart and shit. Hey. You talk all that shit. Hey, nigga, I didn't use all the weed. I used like 1 gun. I still was better than what you would've did. With a broken ass the leaf was 2-3 years from now, and they gonna be on the shit, and you look back at the shit like, damn, you was going through a heartbreak, my nigga, put that, yeah, you got your kids, I'm sorry, excuse me, can we just finish it real quick? All that, all that, yes, y'all know that, we're trying to get right before we go back in there, are we back? Just know that now y'all I don't know baby. Yeah, it's close to 10. Not again. I have never been here. I will say I'm not don't stand out here. I'll never drink. Hell no. Hell yeah. I got we good though. Who is over 28? I used to be a CO. You think shit. Well shit they asked me what's a CO? Of what? What the hell is a seal? This is my little new Let me see. Oh my Ben. Yeah, you do, cause you had to get the show. I just got here. Yeah. I know y'all not smoking it, my bro. Put that shit out. It's a cigarette. You a lot. I don't know how old you think I am, but I can guess. What'd you already say, Jace? I saw you here. Damn near, I was 36. 36, I'm on the money, right? 36? 36. No? Yeah, it's 36. I'm good. I put money on 36. I got things like so I got 39. What's I got? How much money, though? I say how much money, though? I put $5. I blurred it too. $5 in the pot. But she go, no, because she says she's damn near 40. That means past 35. I say 41. Yes, I'd be past 35 to 40. Yeah, past how you 36. Yes, that's in there. 37. 37's in there. That's the fucking in there. Yeah, 37. No, 37. 37. I'm double 37. That's okay, 37. Let's try and buy it. What did I say? That's what you said. What did I say? 35? 38, 38. I'm not gonna say 38. No, say 35. Damn. I said, bet you I think that's what I said. No, I said 35. No, you didn't. You said, I thought he said, I asked you what you had said it one time. Well, I said it because if she was damn near for look. You know how fast 5 years pass by, man. Anytime you ever see me again, I'm before. Okay. Okay. Well, I mean, I'll be here next year. I'm looking in my garage. Not like see right. Ooh. The Beatle cares. Nah, play it. You right, Kim. No, I can't. Am I doing it? Talking about them right here. Yeah, them be protective. Out there too, though. I can run that. Come on, DVD. Oh, yeah. All right. But I smoked here every year for the past, just got out the garage and no smoking because, well, I know y'all here now because last year we was turned up in this house, like, it was like, oh, I know. We was like burning down, doing all this crazy shit, shooting music videos. But now we just chilling, you know? We're not doing nothing. Yeah, they just like, oh, yeah, we ain't doing no burnouts, Reverend. You too hot over here. Yeah, come over here. Well, you got DUI in your hand. I'm not driving. I'm not driving. That was smart. That was smart. I want to get y'all in a lot of shape. I get in the shit by myself. He said I get the same. You the one that no. I get in the shit by myself. That's you don't want us to. They don't want that. Sure, keep me out of this shit. Yeah, we don't keep them out. We don't keep them out. When everybody start coming out of shit, I don't care what y'all do. For right now, no. Okay. Okay. But that's about in like what 10 minutes. But no, that shit. Finish your phone. No. I think she said finish. No, I didn't. I said put that shit up. Oh, I thought you said selective hearing. I swear, I'm not. I was like, wait, no. So back in there, because there's a lot of people out here now. Yeah. Okay, I appreciate it so much. Yeah, so wait, that's how too. They was over there cheap. Yeah, but they was hiding. We wasn't hiding though. You gotta, go back inside. Were you hiding? It looked kind of more suspicious. You know what I'm saying? I see everything. You see everything. I was see everything. Yeah, I mean, but you was outside. Y'all switched. How long you was a CL for? 4 years. You was a Texas TV. Are you from Texas? Every inmate was killed on this avenue. But they hire you, the female. I cussed her out every day. Hey, who was that? I don't even know what that is. I was doing it. She's talking about the girl that killed Selena. You ain't with her. Why you think the monkey is gonna get it? Well, I said, what? You don't think she would have been dead if they could have got to her? Yeah, they could have got to her, but they could have got to her anywhere. No, they can't. She's in PC. She will be fed. No, the pyro protect the custody. That's the government. No, the cartel can get her in there. No, she's with the state. She's at T Mountain View. Engage there. Engage girls. That's the Bible. No, that's the state. That's what I'm saying. That ain't the fed. But they ain't the fed. She out of there. She out of there. You know how many mafia women that work too close and got locked up to get hurt and realize they couldn't. I know it was a lot of mafia women. It's a crazy world. It's a crazy world. We used to belong the next time. I didn't know all that. They lost that war. Come on now. What war? I can't throw it. Oh no, I don't know. So take me, all I know is the slaves, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, I'm not sure like a cowboy, they used to, no, I don't know about this. Alley, I knew they owned Texas before. Why you own Cali too? Nah, Cali, yeah, I did up there. I know Cali, bro. Lost that shit. They became independent. Damn, how did they lose that? Watch your history. See, you gotta go to school, man. You by the way, what you? Yeah, you owe me, but I graduated for sure. I graduated here. 17? That's one. Me too. What you mean that's why? They ain't teach us Mexico War? We got to history in 07. In 07? Damn. You probably 07? I know, when you graduated in 07, I was 7. I got you too, bro. I mean, like, I'm not nice. He was a baby. He was a baby. He's still there cutting his blood up. It's out. It's out. If you put it out, it's out. No, that's easy. It's not too late. It's not too late. Why did you record it with this little thing? I'm a YouTuber. Don't have to say. I'm just saying, YouTube for us. Nah, you're not famous shit. You are nice one. No, but come on, say, I guess it's mine. I didn't make it now. Where you? Shit, no more. Nah, I got you. Shit, don't do that. Yeah, I got you now for real, Biden. Nah, that tomorrow. Oh, God. Tomorrow. Can you guess? Like, you're 20 or 19. You ain't over 21. Which one is it? Bismarck, actually. He got 2 kids. Cause he a daddy. He a daddy, right? He a daddy, so he a damn do that. I take care. He a daddy, so he be drinking. No, you know. Yes, you do. Yes, I get anywhere I go. 100%. I bet you go to 7-Eleven right there. They 100%. All I gotta do is ask somebody outside the store. I say a lot. It works. And those make sure everything all right. Yeah, that's right, friends. Yeah, people. Son. Okay, but see when it's everybody got everybody has on something. I mean, just to know they now. All right. Look, I'll bet hard work. I bet $100 we touch $100 right now. So we got $100. I bet $1,000 on it. Cheap. There's only 7-Eleven right here, right now. Not right here. I'd ask somebody I stood on the other. I would try it. I bet you would. I'd sit in here. Okay, my thoughts. Here's $700. I would give my extra $1. Extra $1, they're gonna get it outside. I'm honest. They'll stop drinking it. No, but for the help of the DPDS around it. Well, I appreciate it a lot. Sorry about the check. I really I'll go out too. You're a extorter. And let's extorter. And you're the one extortion. You be that's not the dude. No, not even that. Oh, that's my $50. Put the step right. All right. Yeah. I'm sorry, I did something. What? He can't do something like that. Nah, he been saying us all day. It's this one. Let me know it. Right here. That one's too black. Oh, shit. Okay. There's a bucket for your fools. There's a bucket, lost it. That's not it. She's a man. Damn. Yeah. People stop. Brilliant shit. You beat back. Oh, that's how I know this dude. Now it's clear, right? Everything clean in here, right? You say that ball like this. I'll be my food a bit for I heard you right there. I tried that there. Okay. Alright. Yeah, right there. You right here? That's the taking alright. Okay. Looks like it's part, man. So this is his team. Oh, $30. Hey, they don't for camera. They tax you. This all $30. But I guess because it was 20 on the website last night when I was by the pay, and I guess at the door, so yeah, that's his. That's his. Reviews, what you think? Oh, menu? Yeah, menu. Yeah. He should have taken his license plate off, though. Yeah, home fucking. Him is alright. That's what why, because cars parked in there. And they traveled on tour. Like. They touring, like. Alright. Imagine the life turns the shit a little bit. Huh? Shout yeah, tell him. Shout out Tez. He tells you need to do this shit. They got the same car. Look at this hoe. A lot of shit going on over here, right? They got the Honda in the building. Huh? How did it? Wow, I got a... Oh, this is another Genesis? Yeah, hey. Yeah, they got a trade. I didn't pay shit. I came for like, just gas. I did. Hey, but, look. Look, this is what... I say, I'm hating. Enjoy yourself. So, man, you can drink it, you know. I don't see nobody else drink. So, that's me. You can get a tattoo with his nose. Fuck it, you get what I get? Fuck it. It's like that right now. You got like fatty? You see all those fatties?
Oh my god, clutch.